हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। आइए जीके खजाना में हम जीके के क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, द ईस्ट वेस्ट कॉरिडोर विच इज ए पार्ट ऑफ गोल्डन क्वाड्रिलेटरल सुपर हाईवेज लिंक्स विच टू सिटीज ऑफ इंडिया फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग। तो करेक्ट आंसर सिलचर टू पोरबंदर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच रिवर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सांगपो। तो करेक्ट आंसर ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मंदारिन इज द ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ विच नेबरिंग कंट्री ऑफ इंडिया। करेक्ट आंसर चाइना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ द वाटर ड्रेन्ड ऑफ बाय द नाइल रिवर। तो करेक्ट आंसर मेडिटेरेनियन सी में इसकी ये नाइल रिवर की नदी जो है वो पानी वहाँ पे ख़त्म होती है उसकी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज कनेक्टेड विद डेली एटमॉस्फेरिक वेदर चेंजेज। करेक्ट आंसर ट्रोपोस्फेयर। Next question, in which of the following states is there hardly any differences in day and night temperatures? तो correct answer Kerala. Next question, in which of the following states of India the loo wind does not blow during the summer season? तो correct answer Goa. Next question, the holy mountain Kailash is located in which neighboring country of India? Correct answer China. Next question, which of the following locations experiences the lowest amount of rainfall during the monsoon season? Correct answer Leh. Next question, in which river has the national waterway NH-NW2 been developed in India? तो correct answer ब्रह्मपुत्र, ये सादिया टू धुबरी। Next question, which of the following lakes is a salt water lake? Correct answer चिलिका lake. Next question, which type of vegetation is represented by Sundarbans, the world's largest delta located in the Bay of Bengal? तो करेक्ट आंसर मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द मुंबई हाई रीजन इन अरेबियन सी इज नोन फॉर माइनिंग। तो करेक्ट आंसर मिनरल ऑयल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द अरेबियन सी इज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ओशियन। तो करेक्ट आंसर इंडियन ओशियन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन विच स्टेट इज गोविंद सागर लोकेटेड, जो कि भाखड़ा नंगल प्रोजेक्ट उसी पर है। तो करेक्ट आंसर हिमाचल प्रदेश। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द Gua and Noamundi mines are located in which state of India? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा झारखंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is the official language of Afghanistan? Correct answer Dari. Next question, the pre-monsoon showers are known as fill in the blanks in Kerala and Karnataka. Correct answer mango showers. Next question, what is the usual term used to describe the climate of India? Correct answer tropical monsoon. Next question, what is the geographic location of world's largest coral reef known as the Great Barrier Reef? Correct answer Australia. Next question, Punjab state is rich in which natural resources from the following? Correct answer fertile soil. Next question, laterite soil develops as a result of which of the following regions? Correct answer leaching. Next question, which physiographic division of India from the following is formed of alluvial soil? Correct answer northern plains. Next question, in which type of forest are mahogany, rosewood and cinchona trees found in India? तो correct answer tropical evergreen forests. Next question, the South China Sea is a part of which of the following ocean? तो correct answer Pacific Ocean. Next question, the official language of which neighboring country of India is Dhibei? तो correct answer Maldives. Next question, in which state of India is shifting cultivation known as Bringa? तो correct answer Odisha. Next question, the North-South corridor which is a part of the Golden Quadrilateral super highway links which two cities of India from the following? तो correct answer श्रीलंका एंड कन्याकुमारी, सॉरी श्रीनगर एंड कन्याकुमारी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द स्ट्रेच बिटवीन मुंबई टू गोवा ऑफ वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज नोन एज। तो करेक्ट आंसर कोंकण कोस्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द जियोग्राफिक फीचर दैट सर्व्स एज ए बाउंड्री बिटवीन यूरोप एंड अफ्रीका? Correct answer Strait of Gibraltar. Next question, what is Mahavat in India? Correct answer cyclonic rainfall during the winter season. Correct. Next question, in the realm of soil science, humus is considered. Correct answer decaying organic matter in soil. Next question, which group of crops belongs to the fiber crops and are produced on a large scale in India? Correct answer jute and hemp. Next question, the black soil area of the fill in the blanks is known as the Deccan Trap. Correct answer Peninsular Plateau. Next question, During which months do retreating monsoons occur in India? Correct answer, October to November. Next question, which of the following oceans is surrounded by the continent of North America and South America to the east? Correct answer, Pacific Ocean. Next question, which of the following is an example of the western coast port? So correct answer, Mumbai port. Next question, which of the following is the highest navigable lake in the world? Correct answer, Titicaca. Next question, which of the following oceans extends to the Mediterranean Sea? Correct answer, Atlantic Ocean. Next question, according to Ministry of Commerce and Industry 2018-19, which state of India is the largest producer of rubber? तो करेक्ट आंसर इसका केरला. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेनिनसुलर रिवर ऑफ इंडिया इज द वेस्ट फ्लोइंग रिवर? तो करेक्ट आंसर नर्मदा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्रॉप्स इज मोस्ट सुटेबल फॉर ब्लैक सॉइल? तो करेक्ट आंसर कॉटन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन इंडिया द ऑस, अमान, बोरो टर्म्स आर एसोसिएटेड विथ विच क्रॉप फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग? Correct answer, paddy. Next question, the fill in the blanks port was developed after independence to ease the volume of trade on the Mumbai port. Correct answer, Kandla. Next question, what is the main reason behind the substantial rainfall during summer on the western coast of India? Correct answer, Western Ghats. Next question, in which of the following states of India is the maximum extent of alluvial soil found? Correct answer, Uttar Pradesh. Next question, which of the following states of India is the first to receive rainfall from the southwest monsoon? Correct answer, Kerala. Next question, which of the following factors does not affect the climate of India? Correct answer, longitude. Next question, which of the following hills are located in Purvanchal? Correct answer, Mizo Hills and Naga Hills. Next question, jet streams are a particular form of, correct answer, geostrophic winds. Next question, which of the following statement receives rainfall during the winter season? तो correct answer, Tamil Nadu. Next question, which mountain range from the following is associated with Rajasthan state? Correct answer, Aravalli range. Next question, what is the name of the geographic feature that serves as a boundary between India and Sri Lanka? Correct answer, Park Strait. Next question, mango showers are associated with which two states? Correct answer, Kerala and Karnataka. Next question, the famous coal mining region Korba is located in which state of India? Correct answer, Chhattisgarh. Next question, which of the following states witnessed the first onset of the monsoon? Correct answer, Kerala. Next question, which of the following locations received the most rainfall in India? Correct answer, Mawsynram. Next question, which of the following is an example of Eastern Ghats Peak? Correct answer, Mahendragiri. Next question, in which of the following types of forest are camels found in India? Correct answer, thorny forest and bushes. Next question, the Mohorovicic यानी मोहो discontinuity separates. Correct answer, earth's crust and the mantle. Next question, the Kolar region of Karnataka is famous for which mineral from the following? Correct answer, gold. Next question, identify the southernmost range of the Himalaya from the following? Correct answer, Shivalik range. Next question, which of the following statement best relate to the Pacific Ring of Fire? Correct answer, known for volcanoes and earthquakes. Next question, wild ass and camels are found in which type of forest in India? Correct answer, thorn forests and scrubs. Next question, what is the primary cause for the highest precipitation in India? Correct answer, southwest monsoon. फ्रेंड्स, आज भर के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. अगले क्लास में हम और भी जीके क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. तब तक के लिए थैंक्स, बाय. और हाँ, इसको लाइक एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें. थैंक्स, बाय.